Hello and welcome everyone in the Plastotech, the world of plastics. So guys, our today's topic is we are going to talk about opening stroke. So our today's topic is opening stroke. I am going to tell you what happened in the opening stroke and how does the function of opening stroke perform. So before starting our topic, I am requesting you guys to please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon for the latest notification, and do follow us on our Instagram ID as plastotech.in. So guys, let's start with the video. Now this opening stroke is the most important topic of the injection molding machine. Now I'll show you with these numbers and an illustrated figure. I'm going to tell you in detail how this figure correlate with the opening stroke. For example, you can clearly see that this is the cavity section. This complete section is the cavity section. It is attached to the machine. Here is your nozzle and barrel of the injection molding machine. So this is the cavity section of your mold. This is the core system. This is the core plate, and you can see it. Here is the core, and now this is the moving plate. It is called as moving plate because this plate moves. This plates, you can clearly see this cavity. The cavity section doesn't move. It's permanently fixed. It's fixed, and the core, where the core system is there, you can see that this is the core. The core part has been attached in the moving plate and it continuously move. So you can see that for example, this is your core. You can see it. This section is the core. Now I am just telling you each and everything. This is the core. This is the cavity. You can see the dotted lines. This is the cavity. And this is your component. This is your component, or you may say it as product. So the component, now I'm going to just figure out. You can see this, these are the numbers A, B, C, D. Now what is representing AB? Core height. What does the AB represent? AB represent the core height. You can see this A and B. This section is the height of your core. You can see that I have already mentioned it is a core. So core means some outer part that helps in shaping out the product. Now you can see this A and B. This A and B, we have labeled it as core. BC as component height. Now I have already mentioned you that it is a component, or it may also called as your product. So this B and C is your component height. You can see this section is your component height. And CD is a clearance. Where is the CD? C, you can clearly see it, C and D. That means this gap, this particular gap is your clearance. We give certain clearance like 10 to 15%. A gap is being given to your mold to perform well. That is called clearance. We give some clearance. CD is an example of clearance. Now AD. Now final AD, from this where the core starts and to the fixed plate, you can see that where the core starts and where the cavity starts in fixed plate, both this complete section is called as opening stroke. Now what we have to give in the opening stroke, what we put in the opening stroke, and how much amount of the opening stroke should be given to your product to eject out the product. What is the opening stroke you should give on your mold? For example, AD, there is a calculation. AD should be greater than 2 into BC. Now what is the AD? AD is complete opening stroke. So opening stroke should be, AD should be greater than, to which number? Twice the BC. BC means component height. For example, this component height is 5 mm. So AD should be greater than twice of this 5 mm. For example, AD should be greater than 10 mm. That means AD should be of 11 mm, 12 mm, 13 mm, 14 mm. Then your opening stroke would be correct. So guys, hopes you understand what is the opening stroke. So it was a it was an illustrated figure from where I have shown you the opening stroke, an important topic of injection molding machine. Do subscribe us, follow us, so that you can learn each and every aspect of the injection molding machine, and all the moldings related information you can easily learn from here. So guys, subscribe us and press the bell icon for the latest notification. Thank you and have a great day.